Okay, the shutters are on. Now it's just time to do the mailbox. Okay, there you have it. Who's gonna win? Will it be you?
It better be me.
Or will it be the mailbox? Oh, you got a hand on it. Oh, there you go. You're beating it. Kick it.
No.
Oh, did you lose?
No, I gotta do that.
What's holding it? How is that thing holding it?
Let's find out.
That's weird. Whoa. It looks like it goes through a piece of metal or something. Well, there you have it.
I won.
You won. That one bit the dust. Right now it's just called airmail. So you get a mailbox on there. I know, Julie. What is that? Amazon backing up. Uh-oh. Is it too close? Got it?
Just about.
So you can see how the mailbox goes with the shutters. How cute. Oh, is that new?
You got me that for Christmas.
Must be new then. That's pretty cool, Julie. Look at that. Julie did good.
This is my mailbox reacher inner.
We'll see if it works. Hey! Is it gonna work? Can't see you there. Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
That's cool. Santa did good on that one. A little loud.
That's just the.
Huh?
That's just the impact.
That's cool beans. As I would say is, yes, yes, yes. I did good. Yes, yes, yes. Then we're going to put a little light up here and then the address. That right there, they had that concreted in with their other mailbox. So they're going to have to cut that and put some rocks around it. Okay, yes, 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 we got it done. Everybody, please like and subscribe and tell us what you think about this mailbox versus the one that she did have. You got the cedar mailbox along with the cedar shutters. Randy did a great job on this. It has a little light. Let me show you. Right there, if you can see it, came on. So yeah, it looks great. Now if they would just put some little rocks around it, some little flowers, that'd be really pretty. Okay, thanks y'all, bye.